Hi, have you just started looking for a solar system? Do you have a lot of questions in mind? We can help you answer a few from our experience. Welcome to RK Solar. I'm Kunal. I'm an electrical engineer and the director of the business. We've run the business since 2010 with the help of our existing customers and our wonderful staff, and would love to help you as well join the solar revolution. So one of the most common questions that we get asked from our customers is, should I choose a microinverter over a string inverter? To understand this question, let's first understand what a microinverter is. That's literally what it is. So what this is doing is, rather than one inverter sitting next to your meter box, this inverter sits behind a solar panel and does what one central inverter does. One of the reasons why we suggest and recommend Enphase microinverters over some of the other options that are available in the market is the safety that it brings on. Now, Enphase solar systems, when installed properly by proper electricians or technicians, are one of the safest systems out there that can be on your roof. So the Enphase solar systems have low voltage power on the rooftop. Now the conversion process that is happening behind the solar panel, from the solar panel DC power to the AC power, is at extra low voltage or low voltage, and this means that the power running through the cables, through your house, through the cavities into your meter box is extremely safe. Now the Enphase systems, as explained, have an architecture where they sort of work as individual systems for individual solar panel. Each solar panel is working like an individual or an independent solar system. So this means that if it has any problems, any shading, or any other inherent defects, it is only limited to that solar panel and it is not getting transferred to the other solar panels. So once again, in return, giving you a much higher energy output. I would like to say it depends on your situation, what you like, what is important to you, and what factors play a role in making a decision. My suggestion would be to give us a call or talk to our consultants, and they will help you navigate this and come to the right decision.